To ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with a licensed broker or accredited salesperson. Hi everyone, this is Aza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and I have here another brand new house. This is located in a secured subdivision here in Angeles City, where everything you need is within your reach, especially yung mga grocery stores. We are very near at Marquee Mall, Landers, and even yung mga hospitals, school, and expressway. Brand new, modern, contemporary. As you can see sa facade, you can see yung combination ng dark colors. You have a wood accent and then glass, slatted concrete sa that side of the wall. Now, sa front, you get a landscape na dito once you acquire this house. As of now, wala muna para hindi mamatay ang mga plants. And then, as we enter through your pedestrian gate, on my left is your two carports. So, ang pag-park natin is parallel, yung magkasunod. Sa ceiling on this side, naka wooden panel. On that side, naka paint or concrete. Now, pag diniretso natin, that area, nakatago yung pool natin. Yes, we have pool for this house. So, it adds some privacy. And then, sa parking natin, naka-tiles din. Then, once we enter through your pedestrian gate, naka-tiles din yung buong area. And then on this side, as I've said, kanina sa front, ila-landscape din naman yan ng owner once na-purchase nyo na yung bahay na to. And then gusto ko yung extended yung canopy dito kasi mostly yung ibang bahay, di ba, pag maliit lang yung canopy nila, tendency, once it rains ng malakas, nababasa yung main door natin, di ba? And then not just that, meron pa kayong space dito for potted plants na yun yung mag-welcome sa mga visitors natin. And then on this side, actually yung buong bahay, puno siya ng windows na, ano kasing tawag doon? Two-way na glass. Diba? Ito, it helps. So, dito pa rin yung second look mo kapag palabas ka na ng bahay mo. Then as we enter, this is your main door. Yung main door mo, you get a solid wood, pero meron siyang PVC panel. So, it adds accent or design for the whole house and your main entrance. Now, as you can see, yes, sobrang open ng buong bahay. Just look how wide it is. This is your living area na. This comes semi-furnished. As you can see, itong bagong sofa na to is included na. Look at that, ang laki pa rin ng space, no? That's for later na, pero nakita nyo na siguro on the video na we have a double height ceiling. So, sobrang open area no bahay. Now, switch naman on this side, you have na a full wall where you can put your television. So, sa wall, fluted panels, you have your console na. Ayan. And mga drawers for other accessories. Even na lang yung kulang. Here's a living room. You get your own air-conditioned unit. And then, look at this. Gorgeous chandelier. Nasosyal. Ang arte. And then, from your living area and then your entertainment area, this is your dining area naman. Sa dining, iba din. So, parang halos separate siya sa living room. Iba din kasi yung pag-incorporate, pag-design nila. You get here this drop light. Ang nagustuhan ko sa dining area niya, yung design niya, hindi puro lahat gantong upuan. Pwede niyo pang sabihin sa akin kung ano yung tawag sa gantong design ng dining set. Kasi it gives more space sa dining area natin. So, hindi yung ganito kasi nauusog to ng saga, diba? Comment nyo na lang kung anong tawag dito. Pero I like it. And then, from your dining area, syempre, is your this gorgeous kitchen area na. You have a mini stool, breakfast nook, sorry. And then, you can add some stool na lang sa side na yan para ito na yung breakfast area nyo. Kasi ito lang yung lutuan natin. These are included na. And then, you have your sink na dito. Overhead cabinets para sa mga collections natin ng ceramics, di ba? And then, eto, excuse na lang kasi this is a very brand new na bahay talaga. So, temporary lang naman yan. Plus, yung kitchen nyo, meron na siyang natural ventilation. Di pa ako tapos sa kitchen area nyo. On this side naman, naglagay na sila ng for your wine or collection ng alcoholic beverages. Diba? And then, this door naman leads to your outdoor kitchen. Then, pwede na din dito yung laundry area. Labas na ako, no? And then, sana na-feel nyo or naririnig nyo sa mic na ang lakas ng hangin sa subdivision na to. Just look at that. Spacious pa rin yung dirty kitchen nyo. Pwede nyo naman i-cover once you acquire this house. And then, on the side, ito yung very private na dipping pool. So, hindi na lang, wala mo ng water as of the moment, pero just look at that. Enough space para mag-dip kayo when you're tired if you wanna relax lang and hindi talaga kayo makikita ng neighbors nyo. Pero you can still see kung sino yung mga darating na kasi 'di ba yung mga glass nga dito is two-way mirror na. And then balik tayo sa common area. Sa common area, this is 4-bedroom house pero dito na sa ground floor located yung isang bedroom. But this could use as your maid's room na rin. So, wala siyang sariling CR. Just look at that. This metal divider here, pero naka-wood finish siya, leads to your mini reading room or yung chikahan kapag may bisita ka or just family kung gusto nyo dito lang mag-chill, not sa living room nyo. Meron pa kayong area for that. Ang cute kaya ng area na to. Oh. Just look at that. Add ka lang ng isang potted plants dito. Ang ganda niya na. Indeed. Yung mga furnitures na nakikita nyo, those are included and lahat yan, brand new. Siyempre sa ground floor, hindi mawawala yung powder room natin. We have here powder room, pero this is full bath na. Kasi diba kanina yung isang bedroom, wala siyang toilet and bath. Meron siyang shower, water closet. You have your sink, may cabinetry, and then may mirror na din siya. We are done with the ground floor, pero ang dami na, no? Tas, ang very bright yung bahay. Very welcoming sa family and visitors na lang. Bago ko umakyat sa grand staircase na to, if you wanna check mga houses dito sa Pampanga, make sure to follow us or subscribe dito sa YouTube channel namin and click the like button plus the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga bagong post namin. And then we are also on Facebook, that's Next Level Properties, and please do follow us also on Instagram, which is Next Level Properties. Now, if you wanna book naman a viewing, you can just call us on my number flashing on your screen and we would love to assist you. That's it. Hi everyone, this is Aza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and today we have here the most luxurious condo project in Angeles City, Pampanga. Introducing the Rockwell Nepo. Want to know more about this Rockwell Nepo here in Angeles City, you can call my number flashing on your screen. Ayan, let's go up. As you can see, I'm telling you, sobrang grand ng hagdan. And then, very spacious din kahit dalawang tao yung umakyat. You have this very nice finish ng handle and then mix ng glass. So, ang linis niya tignan, talagang bumagay sa staircase na to. Then, as you can see, yung ilaw din, it highlights more yung grand staircase natin. And then, on this side, mayroon siyang LED strip lights going through that way. I'll flash na lang ng video na kinuha yung buong area na to. And then, wooden panel accent. So, ang ganda lang ng pagkaka-add niya. Kasi ang elegant tignan, yet it's very simple, pero ang ganda niyang sa mata. Kasi nga ang lawak, sobrang high ceiling. Just look at that. And then, you have that full view ng neighborhood mo. It's all greenery spa and then road. You can still add yung floor to ceiling na sheer curtain. And then some, they use full blackout na curtains. Depends on your own preference pa rin. Pero ang ganda, di ba? It gives natural light sa buong bahay. Kaya na-highlight yung color combination na ginawa ng owner dito. Just look at that. In love ako sa staircase. And then you have this gorgeous chandelier na talagang bumagay sa high ceiling. Just look at that, ang laki niyan. Sa second floor, landing area, you have different kind of tiles na rin. Sa common area natin sa ground floor, you get white finish dito, wood style na tiles na. This is your second bedroom na. Pasukin ko na para makita nyo how spacious pa rin yung buong bedroom. And then, I opened yung window niya kasi yung breeze talaga yung hangin. Ang lakas, oh. Naririnig nyo siguro, ang lakas lang. And look at that. Ito yung view nyo everyday. Hindi maingay. It's very quiet. Very peaceful. So, dito sa bedroom 2, you get your own air condition unit na pin lights, cove light, and then you have your very beautiful main light. You can still put at least kahit queen, kaya pa. This side naman yung cabinet nyo. Then this side, your vanity area or working area. Study area kasi mayroon siyang socket. And then, maganda pa dito kasi second floor, yung mga bedrooms nandito. Meron ka pa ring area for another reading area or kung ano man yung pwede nyong gawin sa meeting area. Kasi meron na-mention ko sa baba, di ba, meron ding ganito. You can have your me time. These are included na rin. So yeah, reading area siya. The wall, you have fluted panel access. So it separates talaga yung mini-me area nyo na yan. And then sa likod naman yan is another bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. This is your bedroom number 3 naman. Sukin ko na rin. Ang lakas pa rin ng hangin. Yes, I open the window then. Meron ding sarili ng air condition unit. Naka-pin lights. And then may main light. Dito wala ng cove light. Yan. This is your area for your cabinets naman. Diba? Maluwag pa rin siya. Lakas ng hangin. Sarap. And then since naka-open na, bedroom 2 and bedroom number 3, ito naman yung shared toilet and bath nila. Very spacious, floor to ceiling yung tiles. May shower na, may water closet, and you have your sink na with your view outside. You can still use as natural light na. So again, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3, may shared toilet and bath sila. And on this side, which is your, of course, master bedroom. Ayan. So, sa master bedroom natin, you have na this queen size bed frame. I'll confirm lang kung meron na siyang included na mattress, no? And then, you have your own air condition unit. It's very convenient. Talagang personal things nyo na lang yung dadalhin nyo. Naka-cove light, pin lights, and then may main light na rin siya. And then on this side is your own toilet and bath. And open ko din. Where you can hang your clothes, Once you open this sliding door, this is your own toilet and bath. So all over ng master toilet and bath nyo, you have a marble finish ng tiles. May sarili siyang tub, and then meron shower, meron siyang water closet, and then your large sink with mirror and very elegant wood finish na cabin shape. Pwede akong lumabas dito pero still have access ditong balcony na to from there. And just look at that. And then until sa balcony, na incorporate nila yung contemporary style ng bahay sa ceiling, and then on the side, nagka-PVC. Just add some plants to, na magaganda na yung area na to. And outdoor chair and table. You can rest here. Sa hapon, abangan mo yung sundown. And then that's Mount Arayat. Yes, no? Okay, that's Mount Arayat. Yan yung view nyo everyday. Oh, bago umulan. Bago umulan, let's do a quick recap. Again, this is a brand new modern contemporary home for sale here in Angeles. And then for the lot area, this stands at 150 square meters, and we get a floor area of 235 square meters. That's 4 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath. You have 2 carport. You have your own dipping pool, and comes semi-furnished. So everything you see that I mentioned sa video are included. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Zaza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.